Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. So given we have the function gx, which is the ln, and also the hx, which is the exponent. A, find the g rho h and then h rho g. So let's focus on g rho h. So in here they mentions that we have the g and then the rho for the h. So 3 exponent negative x over the 2. Kali substitute the situation into the g, so where we have 2 ln bracket 3 over 3 exponent negative x over the 2. So if we simplify 2 ln bracket, we have the exponent x over the 2. So if we simplify ln and e, then we will have 2 bracket x over the 2. So finally g rho h, where we will have x. Continue, we have h rho g. So h bracket g. So we have 2 ln 3 over the x. So if we substitute the h, then we will have 3e negative. We have 2 ln 3 over the x over the 2. So if we simplify, we will have 3 exponent. We have the ln bracket 3 over the x to the power of negative 1. So if we simplify, we have 3 bracket 3 over x to the power negative 1. So meaning that we have 3 bracket x over the 3. So h rho g, where we have x. So since we have g rho h, which is equals to h rho g and equals to x, then we can say that g and the h are inverse to each other. Kali refers to B. Sketch on the same coordinate axis graph for the function gx and so the hx. So I prefer to start with the hx. So hx, which is equals to 3 exponent negative x over the 2. So number 1, Kali refers to the xy axis. So basically refers to the hx, and we notice that we have y equals to 0 as a horizontal asymptote. Then if we substitute when x is equals to 0, then we notice that we have 3 exponent 0, which is equals to 3. So here we have 1, 2, and 3. So the y-intercept will be 0 and 3. So the graph will be something like this. So that is the graph for the hx. So continue. Next, we have the situation given, which is y is equals to the x, where is the reflection axis. So as for the example, if we flip the situation, then we will have 1, 2, and 3. So the coordinate will be 3, 0 for the x-intercept. Next, we have x is equals to 0 because we have y equals to 0. If we reflect, we have x equals to 0. Continue. If this part, we have the negative x and then positive y. So if we reflect, we will have positive x and then negative y. So let's say over here. As for this part, we have the positive x and also the positive y. So the situation would be around here. So the graph will be something like this. So that is the graph for the gx. So do remember, make sure you have label the x and y axis, and then the vertical and horizontal asymptote, then the points of intersect for y axis, and also the reflection axis. Kali refers to C. Question asks us to find the h square rho g, and then we have the value 2. So we can assume something like this: h rho g 2. So based on the situation given, we have h rho g, which is equals to x. So for this case, h rho g, which is equals to x. If h rho g 2, automatic x will become 2 as well. So kindly substitute the situation into the h. So 3 to the power of e to the power of negative. So we have 2 over the 2. So we will have 3e negative 1 or 3 over e. So that is the h squared g bracket 2. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.